Right, okay, so what are we going to open today?
Big Optimus Prime Transformers Transformer by itself!
Yeah, right, so in case you didn't get that, we've got the new official Transformers for automatically transforming Optimus Prime. We've just opened that Chinese version, that wasn't an official toy, the other day, and we found this one on online randomly, so we're going to open this one now. He looks a bit better made than the other one, and he's actually in the proper style of the new Optimus Prime from the film. And what's he got there?
A shield!
A shield, and on the other side?
Sword!
A sword, yeah, and they come off and on, so they're carryable weapons. I don't think you can transform with them, but no, it looks pretty cool. On the side, you just got pictures in truck mode and robot mode, and on the back you've got some more pictures and some of the stats. Apparently this guy can go 6 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast. He's got lights and sounds and a proper controller, and he takes 4 AA batteries and a 9-volt battery for the controller. Right, okay, and there's the other side, and there he is. Right, should we get it open?
Yeah!
Right, and there he is. Should we give him a spin? He looks pretty cool. He's got his sword and he's got his, what's that?
Shield!
Shield. And there's his controller. It looks like he's got forwards, backwards, and then, or maybe, I don't know, then maybe control the tracks independently. And I think that button on the top there is for transforming. Right, let's get the batteries in. Right, she's got a little on switch that we just turn on. And there he is. Do you want to press that button and see if he transforms? Keep going. Wow. Right, should we go and road test him then?
Yeah!
He's gone crazy. Both forward. Both backwards. And just for a quick comparison, here is the new Transformers 4 remote control Optimus Prime with the Chinese replica. He's a bit bigger, and I think he looks a bit cooler. He's a bit more solidly built. This guy's a bit way more solid than this guy. Although he struggles on carpet more than he does. And we will do a proper comparison video of these two things when we find a charger for this guy. Okay, so that was the new Optimus Prime remote control car from Nico, and it's based on the Transformers 4 film, Age of Extinction. Cool toy, it transforms really quickly. It's a bit better than the Chinese one we got the other day. It feels more solidly built, and the batteries seem to last quite a bit longer. Comes with this controller with 3 channels, A, B and C, so if you've got interference you can switch channel. We actually had to change a few times, they must be on a similar frequency to something else in the house. We've got track steering, so there's no turning left and right. That sends the left wheels forward and that sends the right wheels forward. So you can spin on the spot and do some quite cool skid turning and things like that. He's got 2 buttons on the top for transforming into robot mode and truck mode, and he comes with these weapons. But these weapons, you have to take those off before he'll transform, otherwise he gets all stuck. Okay, it's a brilliant toy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.